So let me tell you one truth that nobody actually told me early, and that is the fact that making your first $100 is actually easier and simpler than you ever imagined, especially if you're Nigerian. And no, I'm not talking about $10,000 or even 1 million naira. I'm simply talking about making that your first $100 as a Nigerian. And in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly 4 things that you can start doing immediately that can help you earn your first $100. And like I said, it is easier than you ever imagined. No office space required, no complex structures or strategies, just what you already have around you that you might not even be taking attention of. And without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is entrepreneurialeriOluwa, and on this channel, what I share is ideas that can help you to discover and start your own business, help you to grow and build your businesses with clarity and with structure. Okay, if this is something that interests you, you want to learn new ideas, new ways to build side businesses to make more money, then this channel is for you. Hit the subscribe button. It absolutely costs nothing. It's totally for free, and you will join the family and you will get all this information that can totally transform your financial life. So hit the subscribe button now, and let's get straight into the video for today. And before I go on, I need to let you know that I have something interesting that can even help you to start your business easier than you ever imagined. At the end of this video, I'm going to be talking more on that. But straight into today's video, let's dive into the 4 different things that you can start doing right now to earn your first $100 as a Nigerian. All right, so the first thing I'll be sharing with you, or the first business idea that you can start doing right now to earn that your first $100 as a Nigerian, is selling and sending indigenous snacks to people outside Nigeria. So the reality is that if you have ever had any Nigerian tell you that they miss Nigerian food, then what they're actually telling you is they are calling money into your ears, just that you have not paid attention into it. Because most of these snacks, okay, all you have to do is just package them neatly, label them neatly, get them well packaged, and as long as you have one person or the other abroad or in the diaspora that you can send that or those items to, then you are good to go. In fact, many of the people that I send those things to, the least quantity that many of them buy is even way over $100. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is that you can start packaging those snacks. Name it, any one of those snacks that I've mentioned earlier. So selling and packaging these snacks ideas can actually help you to earn your first $100 easier than you ever imagined. How exactly do you do this? You don't need too much. You only need 1 or 2 persons, okay, that you know abroad. Once you have those 1 or 2 persons that you know abroad, and they are willing, they need these items, they want to snack on these items, they want to have these items, they are willing to pay you to help them get it. All you have to do is to get good packaging, package them well, label them correctly, and put everything together and send it to these people abroad. And once you have 1 or 2 customers, I can assure you that what they would probably require, or request of you will be nothing less than $50. Now, if you have 2 customers who are buying something worth of $50, or even let's say $30 from you, you have 2 or 3 people, then in that way, you are close to making that your first $100, and it's actually easier than you imagine. Okay, all you need to do is to get the right logistics company that can help you ship these items and send it to the people abroad. So this is one way that I have been able to also, earn my first $100 as a Nigerian back here in Nigeria. Okay, so this is one business that you can look into if you are looking to earn your first $100 as a Nigerian here in Nigeria. Okay, so the second business idea that you can look into to earn your first $100 as a Nigerian right here in Nigeria is one-on-one teaching of the Nigerian cultural values. What do I mean by that? I mean that if you know how to speak your local dialect very properly, be it Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, whatever the language is, if you know how to speak that your local dialect very well, you are probably sleeping on earning your first $100 if you are not teaching it. So thank God for this kind of channel, okay? If you have that capacity, if you have that skill, you know your local dialect very well, you can begin to teach that one-on-one to people out there in the diaspora who are willing to pay, who are willing to learn. If you know how to play the talking drum, which is a very rich Nigerian, cultural value. If you know how to eulogize or give this, what we call it oriki in Yoruba land, you know how to do those eulogy, or you know how to do those African chants, then you are sleeping on a big deal if you are not making money with that. And I'm telling you this because I've seen people, and I know at least a few persons who what they do is back here in Nigeria, they connect with families and friends abroad in the diaspora who have children, okay, that they want to raise to know the Nigerian culture or the Nigerian value, to have the Nigerian value. So most of those parents abroad, they actually are very busy, okay? So they rely on people back home that they actually, trust, and they know that they know these things well, to teach their children online about this real rich Nigerian cultural values. And even importantly, Many of the people abroad believe that if they are teaching their children all alone by themselves, the children might not find so much value in doing that, and that is why they rely back on people at home to teach these one-on-one sessions. So what I'm trying to say is that if you know how to teach any of this rich Nigerian cultural stuff, okay, you can start reaching out to people in the diaspora. So you may be asking, who and who do I reach out to? Who will need this one-on-one teaching sessions? Okay, these are Nigerian parents that are abroad and they have children that they want to raise in the Nigerian cultural value abroad. These are foreigners who are married to Nigerians or to Africans in the diaspora. These are even people who are just interested in learning the Nigerian culture. Okay, you can reach out to these people. Just put it on your WhatsApp status, put it on your Instagram bio or on your social media platform. Let people know that you teach these things. You can teach one-on-one. And most importantly, even if you are able to get one family and friend, okay, that wants you to teach their own word or their own, children from the comfort of your home back in Nigeria, those ones can even be your referral, point to other people in the diaspora. What you just need to do is to charge. Maybe you charge based on hour or based on sessions. You can charge as much or as little as $50 per session. And if you have 2 or 3 people who are paying you, then you are able to earn your first $100 as a Nigerian with what you already know. Easy, right? Okay. So the third business idea that you can actually use to earn your first $100 as a Nigerian back home is content creation. See, Nigeria itself is a content, okay? Nigeria is a huge content, and if you are not latching on that opportunity right now, then you're already sleeping, you're already getting way behind, okay? People in the diaspora love to see many things about Nigeria. They just want to learn about Nigeria. They want to know about Nigeria because, like I said, Nigeria is content all over the world, okay? Nigeria is a name to reckon with. If you can start sharing Nigerian market vlogs, so you can build a YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel sharing Nigerian vlogs. You can be sharing how some Nigerian things are made, like the local fabrics, Nigerian fabrics like adire, or how ashoke is woven. You know, all these rich cultural things about Nigeria. You can start sharing them on a YouTube channel or putting them on social media or whatever platform that you so desire. And before you know it, you can be having brand deals. You'll be getting paid from YouTube AdSense. You can have affiliate marketing. You can show many things about Nigeria. Nigeria itself, like I said, is a content. So putting all this content online can help you to start to earn your first $100 as a Nigerian back home. You can even begin to show how Nigerian street foods are made, or the kind of Nigerian foods and where to get them. You know, all these local Nigerian vibes. You can put all this interesting content online, and people who are so interested about learning about Nigeria can reach out to you. They can watch your content and all that. These are people who are doing research about Nigeria. These are people who just love Nigeria and they want to learn more about Nigeria. These are foreigners that want to come in, to come and to come and scout through Nigeria, to come and just view Nigeria, and it's just for them as a tourism or recreational stuff. But you are putting out the content there for them to be able to trust you. And trust me that when you get that trust, people already know your face over and over. They can reach out to you for whatever deals that they have, even if they're coming over to Nigeria. So using that content creation, you can definitely start earning your first $100 as a Nigerian back home in Nigeria. All right, so the fourth way that you can start earning your first $100 in Nigeria without any office, without any hassle, is by being a social media manager to customers that are in the diaspora. Many Nigerian-owned businesses are in the diaspora, and they need people that are vast with social media management. You don't need anything too serious. Your phone is enough for you to start learning through free YouTube videos. Start learning on how to be a social media manager. And when you are well educated on how to do that, okay, you can start reaching out to people, Nigerian-owned businesses in the diaspora, people in the diaspora, even foreigners abroad. You can reach out to them once you have your own content that you're putting on your platform, maybe on your social media account, making people know that what you do is you do social media management. And helping people to know that you do social media management. The basics of what you'll be doing largely is to be helping them to post, content on their pages, to do engagement with their posts, to schedule posts, to do all of those kind of follow up with content and all that algorithm stuff. That is basically what you need to be a social media manager, okay? So you can reach out to people in the diaspora once you have your own platform or social media page that you are putting your details, your content of what you do on. People will begin to reach out to you, and it's interesting that you can earn as much as $100 per client for a month. And the most interesting thing is that it is even cheaper for people in the diaspora to reach out to you as an African or as a Nigerian, right? Because by doing that, they are paying lesser than they would probably pay if they are going to be paying somebody with them in the foreign country. So it is easier for them, it is cheaper for them, and it is an advantage to you who is going to be, earning from that business. So you can definitely reach out to people in the diaspora who need social media management, and that can be the way that you can earn your first $100 as a Nigerian back home. And let me share you one important secret, if you have watched this video to this point, is that if you can access Google certification on social media management, I mean, Google has some courses that can help you to get certified as a certified social media manager. If you are able to earn that kind of certification and you add it to your bio or your LinkedIn profile, then I'm telling you, people in the diaspora will be rushing you because you're going to be a hot cake, because they believe that Google certification gives you an upper edge than any random person that is just doing social media management. So what am I trying to say is that you can be a social media manager for people in the diaspora and you'll be earning in dollars even as a Nigerian back here in Nigeria. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I have a free gift for you that can totally help you to get different ideas of businesses that you can absolutely start with no dollar or no naira at all. So it's a free list of over 100 businesses that you can start immediately, and exactly how you're going to start them, I'm going to put the link to that free gift in the description of this video. So if you have watched to this point, yeah, you have that free gift from me. Feel free to download the document. It's in the link to it is in the description of this video, and so you can look through different businesses that you can absolutely start from the comfort of your home, even with low or no capital whatsoever. Yeah, this video is just to keep you informed and to educate you. I hope that it has informed you in one way and it has changed your mind about the businesses you can start immediately. And if you notice something about this video, there is no huge capital or nothing required. All you just need is to be able to arise right now and get something done immediately. All you require now is to take action and begin something with any of the business ideas that I have listed in the video. Now, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please like this video so that many other Nigerians can get to see it and everybody is winning at the end of the day. So this video is absolutely not a get rich quick scheme. Please do your due diligence to any of the business ideas I have mentioned in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, then you're going to absolutely love this next one, where I explain 5 products that people abroad are already paying Nigerians or Africans for. So watch this next video right here. Until then, see you in my next video.